Bonjour les amis, hello my friends. So look at this. This is the city hall. The city hall is very small, and on this side is the city hall, and on this side is the poste, la poste et la mairie. Okay, it's really small. Just in front of it you have the monument aux morts. So with all the people who are dead, you can see. So 1918, yeah. 1939-45. Okay. Oui.
Ça c'est par année, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 de l'autre côté. On voit là les catombes, des villages comme ça, qui étaient évidemment paysans, mais les catombes à l'époque.
And over there is the castle. So my father was saying yes, that's 14, 15. You see all the people who are dead. Here you go 16, 1916, 1916, 1917, 1917, 1918. See, you can see all the people who died during the First World War. So many people who died during the First World War, and Second World War is just here. You have like 10 people, okay, who died, which makes sense because there were very few fights. The only fight that happened were at the beginning of the war, and then France had to surrender because we were encerclés. You know, there was the German were around. Here, look at this. It's interesting. You have la pompe. You see, the pompe with war here, and then on this side, I just went to show you the castle. There's the castle. This castle was for sale. Why I always wonder why, because you know this kind of castle in fact is not so expensive. It's not so expensive. Maybe it will cost 300,000 euro, something like this, 300,000 euro, and very few people want to buy. The woman was there before. I think she loved the horse riding, and what she would do is she would open the castle and she would make the private visit of the castle. But she was unable to keep it because you have too much upkeep costs. And that's what I was asking my mother, because you see, if you have to pay, of course you have to pay for repairing the castle, you have to pay for the roof, you have to pay for all this, but then on top of it you have the tax, you have to tax. And look at this, it's funny, all the houses have a different style, and you will see a little bit. I showed you the drone, the place from the drone. My father is about, oh, you don't realize First World War is very important in France. Let's see, it's from this side. I could see a little bit more, but you will see from the sky. You will see from the sky. And this castle, when you look at it, you know very well. It's typical from the castle of Renaissance, 16th and 17th century. You can see from the style. You see the tower. You can see from the style of the castle. La tour. This is typical from Renaissance castle, and it has been sold. It has been sold. But I think it's not such a good deal to buy this kind of castle. From what I could see from the drone, you didn't have so many lawns around. So yes, the castle looks nice. You have some beautiful trees, but then when you have, it's beautiful, okay, in itself, but you have to keep huge upkeep cost. Maybe the best that could happen, it would be like a foreign investor who would do this as a hotel. That would be the best that could happen. Maybe even a hotel for wealthy people who come here, spend one night here, you see, and that would be a magic place. The worst that could happen could be maybe an owner who buys this, maybe for himself, start to shut down all the land around it, and maybe start to destroy it because he wants to have his own swimming pool or his own things. Something else that I have to show you here, interesting for France. Okay, la Poste. Vous voyez la Poste en France, c'est la boîte jaune, la Poste, and you can see dernière levée, lundi au vendredi 15h, samedi 8h30. So once a day he will come here. I've seen this in many small villages. Defibrillator. So if you have a heart attack, you open it and you, you know, and they install this everywhere. You don't see so many in Paris, and why? It's because you have in fact many old people here, and here, because this is the city hall, you can see what kind of activities you have here. Okay, so here, what do they have here? They say are they open, what kind of activities, maybe if there's some wedding. So I think this, I already showed you. So there's the election, so when you want to go on the election, what else do they have? Not much, huh? They let you know, okay, they are going to do some work here to clean up some road here. They let you know what's going to happen around here. This is for the roads. La canicule aggrave la sécheresse, you know. They say because it was very hot, then it's too dry, so what are they going to do? They say it's forbidden to take the water from the lake. You can only clean the car in the special place that keep back the, you know. You cannot you cannot take the water from the fountain and this for the work, for the heavy work. So they tell you, and they tell you l'arrosage. You cannot put. It's very interesting. It's for people here. For the golf, you cannot put during the daytime. You cannot put the water on it. For the sport place, for your garden, you can also do it at night after 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. So they tell you what you have to do. Here you have also the activities, so for the school, so what time you have the bus for the school, what time it will stop, and for the canteen, for the school, what they are going to give to the kids, the menu. It's very interesting, cucumber, cream, salad, everything. What is this? If the city hall is closed and you really have emergency, who you can call. For the waste, when you can put your waste outside, when it's open for the waste. This is for the electricity. That's it. They're saying they're repairing the cemetery, the graveyard. That's a little bit older news, but it's interesting. And this castle, yeah, it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful. To me, of course, the Renaissance, the castle that date back from the Renaissance are always more beautiful. But you need to consider that it's much more new, much newer. And it's huge. I understand that they sold it because it's huge. You really have huge upkeep cost for this kind of castle. And you could be making good money by, I think, visiting, but the problem is in this part of France, people don't come. They will come to some main castle that are in other places. Oh, the public toilet here. Okay. And they even have the old door. Look, the old door like this for the public toilet. And that's it. Ok, bon, je vous laisse. À bientôt les amis, à bientôt.